In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new user in QuickBooks Desktop. If you're adding someone new to your accounting workflow, setting them up with the correct access from the start keeps your books secure and your processes efficient. Make sure you're signed in with admin permissions so you can manage users without interruptions. Start by opening QuickBooks and clicking the settings icon near the top corner of your window. This opens the main menu where you can control company preferences and user access. Next, choose Manage Users. This takes you to the user management area, where you can see who currently has access and what permissions they've been assigned. It's a good idea to quickly scan the list to avoid creating the duplicate profile and to confirm the person truly needs a new seat. Click Add User to begin creating the new profile. You'll see fields for basic details and role selection. Type the first name. Use the person's work or legal name so that reports, audit logs, and comments display clearly and consistently. Type the last name and double check your spelling. Accurate names help you track activity and approvals without confusion later on. Enter the user's email address. This must be an inbox they can access because their invitation will arrive there. If your organization uses aliases or shared mailboxes, pick the one the user monitors regularly. A quick confirmation of the address now can save time troubleshooting later. Now select a role. You'll see options like Standard, All Access, Accounts Receivable Manager, or Accounts Payable Manager. Standard, All Access is broad and typically allows work across most day-to-day areas, so reserve it for trusted team members who truly need that level of flexibility. Accounts Receivable Manager focuses on money coming in, creating invoices, sending statements, and recording customer payments. Accounts Payable Manager centers on money going out, entering bills, managing vendors, and scheduling or recording payments. Choose the role that best matches the person's responsibilities. When in doubt, follow the principle of least privilege. You can always expand permissions if their duties grow. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. QuickBooks will email the person a secure link to join. Let them know to watch their inbox, and if they don't see it, to check junk or spam folders. Until they accept, their status will show as pending, which is normal. That's all there is to it. You opened the settings, went to manage users, added a user, entered their name and email, selected the right role, and sent the invite. As a best practice, keep a simple record of who has which role and review. Access periodically to maintain tight security.